Hello guys, Hostanger website builder review in 2025. Hostanger now offer a website builder, something that been missing from this affordable provider for a while. Naturally, the question arises: is Hostanger website builder any good compared to other? Let's give in with my Hostanger website builder review. Before we get started, I have left the best discount deal in the description below. Is it easy to use? Unlike most website builders with Hostanger, you are buying a hosting plan that including the builder. This is great idea while platform like Squarespace self-plan for just one site, Hostinger Builder lets you create up to 100 websites with a single affordable plan. However, this means there is no try before you buy option. You pay upfront, but there are 30-day money back guarantee, and the plans are some of the most affordable in the industry. We will talk pricing later. After setting up my account, I choose Hostinger Website Builder. The builder offer over 100 unique looking template. While some start similar, many are modern and flashy with no premier locked option. You can use any template. The editor. Now let's look at how to build a website with Hostinger. The editor is simple and no code quite different from the tool heavy editor like Wix. I appreciated the minimalistic design. Editing element is easy, just drag them from the tab. Although there is not any element to choose from their image for most websites. I love how you can add image from free library or your phone quickly. A feature beginner well appreciated is the grid system. It split the design into squares, speeding up the process by eliminating the need to move element pixel by pixel. While I wish there were more animation and style setting, I am happy with what's available pricing. Now for the fun part, pricing. Hostinger is one of the best value providers since you are buying hosting, not just a website builder. It's super cheap. The first plan is under $2 a month, allowing you to build one website with free SSL and weekly backup cheaper than Wix or Squarespace. The true value lies in the premier plan for under $3 a month. You get more storage, no bandwidth limit, or a free domain up to 100 website. That probably the best deal out there. Specifically with our discounted link below, Hostinger renewal rate also consumer friendly with price doubling instead of rocketing. E-commerce. Hostinger website builder is great for personal project, but now how about e-commerce? While it cannot compare to Shopify, it's perfect for small businesses. The simplicity of the builder is a plus for those just wanting to sell a few items online. Managing inventory and editing product is smooth and quick with only basic info required. Performance. Performance is crucial specifically for online shop. If your site loads slowly, you will also customer Google recommended load time under 2.5 seconds. Hostinger website builder is light and fast with a load time of 1.8 seconds, better than 99% of builder I have reviewed and within a Google recommendation time frame. Blogging. Hostinger shine for business site and portfolio, but not as much for blogging. You get basic tool to create a decent blog, but it's like the advanced feature of platform like WordPress. Plus, you have to build each post as a separate page, which can be tedious. AI tool. Hostinger website builder offer a few AI tool to help you get started. An AI logo generated, AI written, and heat map feature can assist in managing your website. While not groundbreaking, these tools are helpful for beginners. Conclusion. If you are looking for a lightweight and effective website builder, Hostinger might be the answer. It's the cheapest premier web builder on the market with above standard performance and plenty of resources. I highly recommend it giving Hostinger a try. Thank you for sticking around for this Hostinger review. If you want more, leave a like on this video. See you later.